Rohit Khurana from Intellect Digest, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick review of the Panasonic P51 smartphone which has been launched recently in India. This phone has been priced at 26,900 MRP. It is quite a premium looking phone, and I'll quickly show you around the hardware, then we'll talk a little bit about the features and specifications. So on the front you have a 5-inch high definition IPS display. There is no physical or touch button over here on the front. There is a standard speaker mesh, a 1.3 megapixel camera at front with which you can do high definition video calling. On the right hand side you have a volume rocker finished in metallic build. There is a micro SD card slot on the right hand side. On the left hand side you have two slots for micro SIM, so you have SIM 1 and SIM 2 both on the outside. The back is not removable, so they have given the micro SD as well as the SIM card slots on the outside. On the bottom you have a mic hole over here, and there is a metallic lining all around. The front glass is an Asahi toughened glass, which is a parallel of Gorilla Glass that you see on many phones. On the top you have a power or wake up key, which is again finished in metal with a 3.5mm standard audio jack. On the rear you have an 8 megapixel camera with flash as well as autofocus. There is a speaker mesh down here. The quality of build is very premium. It is scratch resistant at back with some polycarbonate like material. The thickness of this device is also one of its USPs. It's just 8.5 millimeters. Very sleek in form factor and very light in weight as well. The display quality and the color reproduction looks very beautiful. One of the main attractions of this phone is that it runs Android Jelly Bean 4.2. Most of the phones in this price segment do not give the 4.2 Jelly Bean. It has 4.2.1, while most of the competing phones come with 4.1. What all you get in this. Talking of the specification, it is powered by a 1.2 GHz quad-core processor by MediaTek, has 1 GB of RAM, 4 GB internal memory. You can expand the memory by adding additional micro SD card of up to 32 GB on this phone. P51, you also get these two accessories right out of the box, which include a smart-looking magnetic flip cover, which snaps onto the Panasonic P51 just like this, and it protects the screen by covering it like this. And there is also a capacitive stylus with which you can operate the phone with ease. You can do notes and scribbling on the device. The user interface looks more or less stock Android. There are some preloaded applications installed by Panasonic on it. It includes the application for social networking, video browsers, business card readers, document scanner, a few games and other multimedia applications for the usability. Apart from this, it gives a good rich feeling in hand, is fairly powerful, can do multitasking with ease with the performance and specification that it has. Slightly on the higher side when it comes to price, but overall a very good, nicely finished, premium looking device. This is all we have on a quick review of the Panasonic P51 smartphone. If you have any queries or questions, please leave a comment below. If you like our video, please press the like button below. For more such videos, please press the subscribe button below. This is Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.